Last stop. Well, maybe.
So we're heading to Pura Vita. It's the first all 100% Italian, 100% vegan restaurant. And I brought some vegan barbectorias to share.
Why are we yelling?
Yeah, because I'm excited. I don't hear the traffic, I'm just excited. This is how you soften light, guys. So before you got the fancy spotlight, you get your cell phone, and hopefully they got white napkins. Because the last restaurant they have black napkins, and I did that bird box thing, but this is a white napkin.
The special is called a pesto calabrese. So it is calabrese because I use the calabrese hot peppers in the sauce. So it's a roasted red pepper, calabrese pepper, a little bit of sun-dried tomato, and garlic and oil and shallots and all the other good stuff. But it's spicy. These are the peppers, spelled in my dad's accent. Again, they're spicy peppers, chopped up and roasted with raisins, almonds, and pepitas, garlic and oil. These are a must-have. Yeah, these are like one of the staple things on the menu. These are the roasted garlic potato wedges. They have a roasted garlic aioli, macadamia parmesan, and this is the pomodoro with the polpettini, so spaghetti pomodoro with our house-made lentil and mushroom meatballs.
Salud.
Salute.
Get some of the micro basils there. I feel like I don't have my napkin because we're using it. That is good. There we go, the peppers. These are a must-have. Wow, if you could smell these peppers, amazing. Wow, you could taste all the flavors and love in there. That's amazing.
Can I just tell you guys how nice it is to go to a restaurant that is all vegan? Everything is vegan. You don't have to worry about cross-contamination or anything like that. It makes me feel so good. Potato wedge. I'm not sure what's on it, but whatever it is, it's delicious. I like everything I've tried.
We got tiramisu, because you gotta get dessert. You can't leave without dessert. Come on now. Oh man. The texture and the flavor. Wow. And it has that coffee taste, so it's kind of like a dessert coffee kind of too. I must say that is good. Pura Vita. If you haven't been, you need to go. I know you've seen the photos and you see the expressions, and we're
full.
Nothing short of amazing.
I think we only did 4 places today, but no, 5. But it's okay.
But it's not over yet.
It's not over. It's about 11 o'clock.
Where can we go? We got a little bit of here. The specials.
Yeah, we got a bunch of leftovers to bring home. It was really cool going to a new place. If you guys are looking for delicious Italian food, check this place out, Pura Vita. It's highly recommend. It's all vegan. Go here. I know the color's off here. It's dark out. I think we're gonna call it, and we're gonna end this video.
The key word is think.
Yeah,
because I'm driving.
We will probably end up somewhere else. But just in case, I need to close the video out. I will be here for another 4 or 5 days, so I'm sure I will be filming some more with this guy here. Thank you for watching the video. You can check Cesar out on mainly his Instagram. He does a lot of videos there. I'll link it below. And don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, eat a lot of vegan food, and I'll see you guys next time.
Peace. We out here, it's the 5th course of the day. Got a lot, look at, it's loaded with all that garlic.
And that's it for real this time. We're done for the night.
I think there's a donut shop on the way.